Hello, my name is Steve Herman. Welcome to my YouTube channel on mediumship development and training. I'm the author of Mediumship Mastery, The Ultimate Guide, which is my book on mediumship development. It's available on Amazon.com. I'm really into the teaching aspect of mediumship, so if you're interested in learning more about mediumship and becoming a better medium, whether you're experienced or even if you've just been doing it a short time, definitely click that subscribe button below and please watch my videos and share them. I'm really into the teaching aspect and to helping people with their development. And oftentimes, when people get involved with mediumship, they may go to a circle, they may go to a group, they may participate in different workshops online or offline, and sometimes there's a lot of competition that takes place. Sometimes so much emphasis is placed on the performance. I've got to perform a certain way. I've got to bring through evidence. I've got to prove survival. And I've got to really demonstrate to every other single individual in the group or those who might be recipients or witnessing what's taking place how wonderful, how fantastic I am as a medium. Do you think like that? I hope not. But a lot of people do. There's a pressure. I was just talking to one student not that long ago who participated in different workshops with various mediums. And she was telling me she went to this one medium, participated in this one class, and she just felt a lot of pressure, that she had to perform up to a certain level of proficiency. She had to perform, right? She had to excel with what she was doing, be the best of the best. Now, nothing wrong with being the best of the best, but mediumship it's not about the end result, especially when it comes to development. And your performance isn't really what's important. And you do have this happen. You may have someone who's a student or even mediums who are very experienced and they may go work at some spiritualist church or they do some mediumistic demonstration. Even when they do sessions with people, there can be a lot of judgment that takes place from the people who are experiencing it. Just observing the medium work, they're not even getting the message themselves, and they'll judge the medium or evaluate whether it was evidential or not, whether it was it quality enough. This isn't good stuff. This isn't what we want to do. But people do this. And unfortunately, a lot of people who are mediums get caught up in it. I've got to look really good. I don't want to make any mistakes. Well, if you're a student, goof up as much as possible, make mistakes. That's how you're going to learn. And most importantly, don't worry about it being a performance. Do the best you can do. Be ethical, be honest, learn from your mistakes. Maybe, you get your mind in, because it goes through your mind, right? Mental mediumship. So you can get your mind in the way a bit, and you can say things and be a bit off. But your spirits who work with you, they'll make adjustments and they'll help you because they want you to be the best possible medium. And I'll tell you, if you're involved in development classes and sitting in circles, these types of things, have fun with what you're doing every time you do it. It's not competing against other people. It's not trying to outdo people with how vivid your clairvoyance is, how many messages you can give, how many pieces of evidence, how amazing you are as a medium. That's not what it's about. It's about love, and it's about being the best possible vehicle for the spirit world to work through. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel to put them down below. I'm really into the helping aspect. I run a lot of programs online, offline, worldwide for mediumship, but I'm definitely into helping others with their development. So please hit that subscribe button and please let me know what you think. So God bless you.